Calling all carb lovers, get ready to fall in love with our cheesy garlic bread. It's so yum, it's criminal. Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. I'm slicing bread for our cheesy garlic bread. You can use either store-bought bread, or you can go into my previous videos and check the recipe for making bread at home. I'm slicing it into half. In a bowl, I've got some olive oil, finely chopped garlic, some Parmesan cheese, and some chilli flakes. I'm placing my bread pieces on an oven tray. I'm putting a nice generous layer of my garlic and olive oil mix onto the bread. Top this with mozzarella cheese. Some dried mixed herbs and some fresh parsley which has been finely chopped. This goes into my oven which has been preheated at 180 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Our garlic bread is out of the oven and ready to be served.